good evening, and happy spooky season. It's time for our first episode of Spooky Weather Stories. My first tale starts a little like this. The moon has awoken with the sleep of the sun. The day has been broken. The spell has begun. Imagine this, with each step through the deep, dark forest. Your eyes focus on the still gray haze creeping through the trees. Night is here and you are alone, or so you thought, as you silence your steps and still your breathing, you wait. In the distance there's a low echo, but what could it be? Every direction you look seems the same as the sound gets closer and clearer. It's howling wind. That bone-chilling noise you hear is a sound wave created by the wind as it moves through an environment. That ominous howl comes from the wind brushing up against the ground, the trees, and their branches, creating a ghoulish song. Air brushing past objects creates friction. The higher the wind, the stronger the friction, the louder the noise, and the more haunting the howl. Next time you're outside, be sure to keep your ears open for the sounds of the howling wind. Or so that's what they say, that's what it is. Scientists haven't seen the things I've seen. That could be the howling wind you see and hear through the trees. Or it could be a werewolf howling against the breeze.